Right then, open green cement is a catalyst of carbon transition by manufacturing clinker-free cement in a brand new vertical process. Basically, every 52 seconds, 150 tons of cement is produced worldwide. Out of this, 92% of it is made by clinker, okay, which is 881 kilos of CO2 per ton in carbon emission. Clinker alone is responsible for 8% of global emissions worldwide. Okay, what we do with Hoffmann green cement is basically changing the chemistry of cement by getting rid of the clinker and using byproducts from other type of industry, reactivating it with our matrix of activation patented in all the world with 12 patents today. And from 881 kilos of CO2 per ton of cement produced in traditional cement, we are down to 141 kilos of CO2 per ton. All this by doing no change in the concrete manufacturing process. We'll be using the same trucks, the same ready-mix facilities, the same molds for precast constructions, etc., etc. Just an adaptation into the mix design itself. Our 141 CO2 equivalent per ton has been validated by the new EPD last month already. How do we do this? Basically, clinker cement is used by extracting limestone from quarries, releasing imprisoned CO2, and then burned at 1400 degrees during 18 hours. Okay, hence the reason we got that high carbon emission. What we do, as you can see in our plant there, we have no chimneys, no ovens, and we're all doing it in a cold manufacturing process. So we have trucks coming into the factory, pushing all the raw products at the top of the tower there, and using gravitation to bring them down. Thanks to this, basically, we're using also much less energy to produce our cement. Okay, basically between 800 and 1300 kilowatt hour per ton for traditional cement, we are down to less than 100 kilowatt hour per ton in energy, which enables us to be fully independent in terms of energy process. Out of this process, we reactivate different types of byproducts with a new line of product base now. HEVA based on flash clay elements, HUKR based on glass furnace slag, HV2A a pure geopolymer technology, and HION a super sulfated cement based on gypsum and slag. How we do this, thanks to this, we can address all the different markets from the construction industry, obviously everything regarding multifamily housing and offices building, everything regarding network fiber to cover the network fiber optics using our HVA products, all the renewable energy contract markets, wind turbine foundation, seals for solar farms, outdoor fittings, cycle paths, precast concrete, pavements, etc. And a new one there as well for waste treatment. Everything that cannot be burned basically is now still sealed into concrete, and we're using then our cement to do those. Thank you for your attention.